everyone, welcome to our second live podcast, In Your Shoes. My name is Ruben, I'm your host for tonight, and I'm thrilled to have you join us today. But before anything else, gusto ko sanang malaman anong bansa po kayo nanonood. Which country are you watching from? For tonight's episode, this is going to be special because we're going to be joined tonight by our executive senior partners. Before we start, we're going to watch a video on how the Premier Lifestyle works. Let's watch this video.
Premier Lifestyle keeps getting better. Premier Lifestyle is specifically designed to penetrate the international market and to cater to a more refined class of mentality.
Which includes professionals that falls under what is known as upper A, B, and upper C markets.
Our vision from a business standpoint from products, services, marketing, management, and a powerhouse compensation structure.
It's what derives our premier lifestyle to the top of the elite and separate itself from the common traditional programs you see today. Join us as we take you on a tour of our day-to-day office.
And explore every opportunities and possibilities you can experience
Here in Premier Lifestyle. As soon as you step into our reception area, you are greeted by a modern and inviting space.
Our friendly receptionist is here to assist you with any of your inquiries.
This is our open workspace, designed to foster collaboration and creativity.
Our partners enjoy a dynamic environment that encourages the exchange of ideas. This is our meeting room. It is designed to inspire and facilitate effective communication.
Welcome to the office of our general manager and our board of directors. It is also serves as a meeting room for our leaders with the management.
This place is all about pushing boundaries and exploring new possibilities.
This is our training room. We provide our new partners tools for them to succeed in our program.
Our team is passionate about delivering world-class solutions and building strong relationships with our clients across the world.
We have built international offices including Hong Kong, United States, United Kingdom, Gabon, Nigeria, and more branches to come. Premier Lifestyle is the first and only company from the Philippines that is registered in the United States of America. As a registered brand, Premier Lifestyle is committed to delivering excellence, innovation, and unmatched quality to our partners. Being part of Premier Lifestyle means we strive for the highest standard in everything we do. Experience unlimited cash flow with our partnership program,
The Premier Way. These are the programs that you can choose from. Platinum Program, Potential Cash Flow, Tri-Platinum Program, Potential Cash Flow, Titanium Program, Potential Cash Flow, and VIP Program, Potential Cash Flow.
So how do you become a partner of Premier Lifestyle? These are the 4 easy steps.
Step 1. Sign up. Remember, this is a partnership, not membership. In Premier Lifestyle, we believe in the power of collaboration. As your trusted partner, we are dedicated to make the program work for you.
Here are some of the benefits when you sign up. 100% guaranteed ROI or return of investment. You will have 25 to 40% discount on all products. You get a professional online backup office. You will be provided with all business tools and materials and online training platform and support. Step 2. New Partners Briefing.
We will brief and guide you on how our partnership will work and experience unlimited cash flow with our Premier Lifestyle program.
Step 3. Use the products. We have wide range of products that you can choose from.
Here at Premier Lifestyle, we provide the best products and serves as your ally in achieving optimal health and vitality.
Step 4. This is where our partnership starts. Our expertise, your connections. Just give us at least 4 potential partners and the program will work for you. Now, let me show you the sample computation. We have again Platinum Program, Tri-Platinum Program, Titanium Program, and VIP Program. First month sample computation.
Let's say you refer 4 people in a month. If the program of our partnership is Platinum, you will earn a cash flow of $160 US, $320 US for Tri-Platinum, $720 US for Titanium, and $1,880 US for VIP program.
Now, those 4 people will be our partners. Again, your connections, our expertise.
On the second month, those 4 people referred 4 people. $320 US for Platinum, $1,520 US for Tri-Platinum, $4,360 for Titanium, and $9,600 US for VIP. On the third month, those 16 referred 4 people. $1,480 for Platinum, $7,680 for Tri-Platinum, $17,920 for Titanium, and $38,400 for VIP. And on the fourth month, $10,240 for Platinum, $30,720 for Tri-Platinum, $57,600 for Titanium, and $57,600 for VIP.
Experience unlimited cash flow with Premier Lifestyle.
The max out income per month for Platinum is $19,200 US, $57,600 US per month for Tri-Platinum, $134,400 US per month for Titanium, and $288,000 US per month for VIP program.
Now, that's Premier Lifestyle. Go for VIP. Earn rebates. For example, you have now 1,000 partners and they consume worth $50 US monthly. Our program will give you 29% rebates. Let's say, realistically 10%. You will earn additional rebates of $5,000 US monthly. Another exciting privilege of Premier Lifestyle is to earn loyalty bonuses of 10%.
10% of the cash flow income of your directly referred partners. Let's say he earned $20,000 US. You will get a royalty bonus of $2,000 US. Aside from the cash flow program. Do you want more? Upgrade your account and earn 15% to 20%.
Rewards points. You can redeem it with gadget rewards, lifestyle rewards, and travel rewards.
Experience unlimited cash flow the Premier way.
Be privileged. Be part of Premier Lifestyle.
Best features of Premier Lifestyle.
Positioning advantage. Generous cash bonuses. Inheritance benefit. And portable business.
You can take your business anytime and anywhere.
Now, let's talk about why Premier Lifestyle separates from the pack.
Our program is doable and sustainable, fast-paced income, strong support system, and on top market.
Our commitment and excellence has proven to be highly profitable.
Our strategic approach, coupled with our dedication, has led to impressive financial growth and a strong market presence. Join us in our journey and experience success and profitability that comes with being part of Premier Lifestyle.
Together, we can achieve remarkable results and continue to thrive in this dynamic industry. This is Warren Trinidad.
And this is Diane Trinidad.
Experience unlimited cash flow the Premier way.
All right. right, now as promised, I have here all of our executive senior partners. Can you give yourselves a big round of applause? Come on. Now, in this segment, we'll dive deep into what life is really like in their shoes. Before we start, can we introduce ourselves first? Let's start with senior partner, executive senior partner, MC Milor.
Hi, everybody. Good day to each and every one of you. My name is MC Milor. I'm one of the executive senior partners of Premier Lifestyle. I used to teach at a high school. I was a former teacher by profession, and now I'm doing Premier Lifestyle full time. And I have here my wife.
Hi everyone, my name is Valerie Melor and I'm a former registered nurse and currently doing PLC or Premier Lifestyle full-time. Sorry for my voice.
Na nag-concert kagabi.
Yeah.
Oo nga.
Hi everyone. By the way, I'm Gerard Philip Rodas Marique. I am a former retail manager. So right now, full-time here in Premier Lifestyle.
Good evening, everyone. Hi, my name is Diana Joby. I'm a former midwife and a sales consultant. And now I'm doing PLC as a full-timer.
Hi everyone, I'm Jenny Buena Agua, of course, Postman.
And the comments nyo, I can read all of your comments watching from UK, watching from Nigeria.
Great.
Welcome, Michael Petco from Washington, D.C., USA. Uy, grabe ah. Wow. Kailangan wow eh. So dapat, no. Anyway, I do have a list of questions here and I'm going to be asking each and every one of them, or maybe you could choose which one would you like, no? You could also comment down below which questions you can ask them, no? Anyway, let's start off with this question. Are you guys ready?
Sure.
Oh, game na ba kayo?
Game na.
Alright.
How about our partners na nasa Zoom?
Watching from Kuwait. Good evening, everyone. Hello guys. Watching from New Jersey, UK. Oy, they're also ready. Nagko-comment na rin sila, nang ready na din daw sila. And also, let's all welcome from our pilot episode, first podcast, Miss Diane Medina.
Yeah.
Yes! I mean, Diane Trinidad, I'm sorry. I beg your pardon. The current top one of Premier Lifestyle Club. All right, for our first question, any one of you could answer the question. No. Anyway, for our first question, what did you see in PLC made you realize it was the right opportunity for you to join our club? Thank you for that wonderful question.
Thank you. This is number
Sige.
okay, sige. For me, first, because of the time freedom and of course the financial freedom also. Okay, so first, before, akala ko ano lang siya, short term, no, yung parang, but again now it's a long term business. Okay, so and the good thing about our program right now, it's all ano siya, international, okay, and you can do it international and even here outside your house or even in our lounge. Okay, so I think the time freedom and also the financial freedom.
Meaning you can do it anywhere, anytime.
Yeah, anytime.
At the comfort of your home.
Right.
Yeah.
And one thing I appreciate about Premier Lifestyle is the freedom doon sa business when it comes to the capital. Because, tayo mga negosyante, especially when you have a traditional business, I know some of you na nasa Zoom and some of you na nandito ngayon, mga executive senior partners, nag-open na kayo ng mga traditional businesses before.
Yeah.
Naka-experience tayo nun. And we know, in effect, na yung traditional business, okay yan.
Mhm.
But, nakatali yung capital mo dyan, and kapag nalugi yan, wala na. Right? Goodbye ka na dun sa starting capital mo. So, one thing I love about PLC is it's just a one-time, big-time investment,
Yeah.
and then that's it. Kung ano yung in-invest mo for the year 2024, let's say you have
Lifetime na, no?
you have a VIP program for the year 2024, for the next 5-10 years, it's still the same amount of money na nilabas mo, then pretty much lahat ng kikitain mo, those are net income.
Yeah. So it's basically it's just a one-time capital, no? One-time cash out ng capital.
Exactly. Merong limit yung
Yeah.
capital. There's a limit in capital, but you have unlimited cash flow potential.
Correct.
Well, additionally to ESPMC, of course, to connect with sa sinabi niya, of course, number one, nung naging part ako ng Premier Lifestyle Club is the connections that we have now in this kind of club. Kasi actually, I now have a coffee shop and also I'm a graphic designer and I have an online business for graphics. So most of my business, I need more connections. So that's why that's the number one thing for me to start for this kind of partnership.
Galing.
But not only that, hindi naman limitado lang sa business yung
Yeah.
connections. Also professionals, even professionals do need
Yeah,
connections, right? I know ESP Gerald is a marketing manager, if I'm right.
Retail manager.
Retail manager of
Yeah.
a well-known brand. Can we mention the brand? We're not sponsored.
Yeah.
Sponsored.
Soon.
So, yeah. So, shout out sa Sarah.
And Massimo Duty. Baka naman.
But for those of you who doesn't know, ako din, me myself, I did have a business before. And yung sinasabi ni MC, it's really critical na it's just a one-time cash out. No? Not unlike if you're gonna expand the business, you need to invest more and more again. Right?
Yeah.
So anyway, anyone else?
And one more thing, ESP Bayo, no, sa mga mommies, no, again, sa mga mommies kasi, appreciate natin ngayon, no, yung ating program, okay, because of the mom guy.
Yeah.
We also need some time for our kids, like that. And then here in our Premier lifestyle, you can do it also, okay? Morning, focus tayo sa mga kids, and then afternoon until night, dito naman, no, sa ating Premier lifestyle. So I guess yun yung maganda rin sa mga mommies, no, na nandito, that we can do it also, no, while taking care of our kids. So,
May mga mommies ba tayo nasa Zoom?
yeah, passion naman tayo dyan, mga mommies.
Yeah, comment nga yung mga mommies. Oh, there's a comment here. Actually, here in PLC, it's from CJ. So actually here in PLC, it's just a good business with low capital, with potential cash flow is our expectation. And I experienced the time and financial freedom, and we can tap all the business tycoon and professional doing this PLC. Congratulations to you, CJ.
Doc CJ.
Doc CJ.
Hi,
Doc
Doc
CJ.
CJ.
Hi, Doc. Hello, Doc. Anyway, our audiences, those who are watching from our Zoom, you can also ask questions, tapos you can choose on whoever you like to answer. Now, speaking of results,
You know?
what are the milestones you've achieved so far in PLC? I know, is Dayan?
Yeah. So, speaking of results, okay, right now, I purchased my new Nissan Terra because of our points.
Wow.
So,
Just because of the points.
yeah, because of the points coming from our program. So, and then Vietnam, I'm one of Vietnam
Qualifying
qualifier
Yeah.
also. So, 2 slots.
Delicious.
So, I'm thinking if Coach Warren will be
Pag-iisip na ba?
yeah. So yun, no, and of course the cash flow.
Can we know how much?
much?
Can we know how much?
1 month and a half, almost 800,000.
Wow.
So 1 month and a half. So tingnan ninyo, no, yung kayang ibigay, okay, ng ating program, okay? So I guess talagang ang ganda ng program na talaga ngayon sa atin sa Premier.
Yeah.
Anyway, the next question would be not only for you guys, but for the audience as well. You could also answer this question. But I'm going to direct this question to our beloved Sir John Lee. The question is, looking ahead, where do you see yourself 3 years?
Wow.
3 years with PLC.
In 3 years, I think, iba na yung usapan dyan eh. After 3 years, yung dreams mo talaga, pwede natin siya makuha.
Yeah.
Yun yung nakikita ko in 3 years time. Diba? Yung wildest dream mo, talaga
Correct.
pwede makuha.
Everything's possible in PLC. How about you other guys? How about
ESP
Dayan?
Diana.
Diana.
Ayan, good evening again, everyone. So, for me, in 3 years' time, doing this PLC, of course, the wildest dream, like ESP John Lee, and then first is in terms of dream car. So our dream for PLC first car is BMW, like Ma'am Dayan. So we
Next
plan-
year, next year.
Next year. Okay.
Next month.
Yeah,
What
yeah.
month?
That's what-
January.
Now.
Few days from now.
Yeah.
Umaano
That's
ah.
our number one goal in PLC this 2025 is to bought BMW, and then we need to buy BMW, and then 3 years from now, so
So after BM, 3 years from now, ano na?
resort.
Mercedes.
Lamborghini.
Lamborghini.
Yeah. And then syempre unlimited cash flow, so literal extraordinary cash flow that we never experienced before.
Yes.
Oh, me?
How about you?
I'll be driving. Yeah, of course, next year a BMW as well.
Wow.
But 3 years from now, maybe I'd be driving Audi R8.
Wow.
Audi R8. Camera. There's Camera 1, camera 2. How about you, Sir Darwin?
3 years from now, of course, I want to have a new house
it's
here in
not,
Manila. That's mansion. Yeah, I mean,
Mansion in
I'm living now
Manila.
in
Kind of
province.
impossible.
So since pandemic, so tumira na kami sa province, and now, yung ginagawa kong malapit lang yung biyahe. But then, isa sa mga ginugol is to have the new house here. Of course, the car, the luxury car is given now. Maybe not 3 years, it's next year.
Wow.
Yung mga
Yeah, that's
audience
my
na.
Maybe we can ask also some of our
Oh, yeah.
PLC
Yeah.
partners.
Kung ano gusto nila.
Yeah, wag po kayo mahiyang magtanong.
Sabi nga, manifest.
Can you chat?
Payment.
Okay, 3 years from now, PLC partners, ano ba, ano? Ang
Yeah.
inyong nakikita, no? Habang ginagawa natin tong ating PLC.
Actually-
you can also chat your answer.
No, more than anything, more than the material things that you are aiming for. It is very important to have such goals kasi this will help you stay on track.
Yes.
Yeah.
Diba? Kumbaga parang yung ibang tao, they may find it corny and cheesy na we're talking about buying sports car and mansion and traveling around the world. Pero these things, they may be material things, but they will help you keep on track
Different.
doon sa business na ginagawa natin. Because let me tell you guys, this business not just an ordinary business, and hindi rin siya madali.
Correct.
But what will sustain you are these goals and dreams na meron tayo, especially in our case, kami mag-asawa. We're doing business together, and every night bago kami matulog, yan yung ilan sa mga madalas namin na pag-uusapan. Ano yung mga future na nag-aantay sa amin. Kaya we are really excited, guys. Please comment sa ating chat box. Ano yung nakikita nyo? Kung ano yung nakikita nyo 3 years from now,
Doing a PLC.
doing Premier Lifestyle, ano yung mga ma-achieve ninyo? Maybe
Yes.
maybe business expansion or your first car or
Correct. Yeah.
what have you.
All right. Also, I'd like to give a big shout out from Miss Myla Batuto from Kamsur. Kamsur, hello sa mga taga Kamsur. Hope we could, sana makapunta kami dyan sa Kamsur. Single mom
From
from Valenzuela. Mom from Canada. Hello sa mga TFC screwdrivers.
subscribers.
Subscribers. Sorry.
TFC.
TFC.
Hello, PLC partners
PLC.
in Canada.
Hello, PLC subscribers in Canada. We're in Canada pala. Ma'am Veronica.
Si Ma'am
Saan po
Veronica.
pala sa Canada?
Parang sa ano yata si Ma'am Veronica, Toronto.
Oh, Toronto.
Toronto ba dito si Ma'am Veronica?
Yung mother-in-law.
I think, yeah.
Uy. Ang ganda ng sinabi dito ni partner Victorino
From UK.
from
Yeah.
UK.
Yeah.
Yes.
Our
From UK.
owner of our
As
PLC.
per
Thank you po, no? Thank you for spearheading yung UK branch natin, yung
Yeah.
UK lounge natin. We really appreciate that we have a physical
yes.
lounge there at UK. And sabi niya dito, 3 years time, may expand yung business and have offices around Europe.
Yeah.
Right?
At pupunta kami dyan.
Yes.
Yes.
Magpa-practice na ako ng mga British.
And French.
British and
UK
French.
after UK.
Gusto niyo ba makita ako mag-French?
Yes.
Next month. Nasa loob ng ano.
Oo,
Ayan, no? Meron kaming surprise sa inyo next month.
Yes.
Alright.
From Toronto nga. Alright.
Okay. Now, in your opinion, what is the key advantage of the Premier Lifestyle program compared to other programs in the country?
Again, sorry.
Thank you for that.
Because of
Ano yung
us.
ano? Ano yung-
because of
Actually, yun yung
because
usually
we're-
yun eh. di ba?
yeah, because of us. Yeah, because of our the vision that we are seeing right now with our PLC, and because of the senior partners, the mentors, the coaches, all the wisdom that we are putting here in the PLC, and because also of our PLC partners around the world. Okay, so I think that's that's our tawag doon, secret tawag doon, parang
Ingredient.
ingredients no, here in PL.
Yeah. How about the other guys?
Well, yung,
Ladies.
right, yung nakikita kong major difference nung program natin compared to other companies. Number one, yung approach natin when it comes to the business.
Yes.
Very professional, hindi nakakahiyang gawin yung negosyo.
Yes.
Because sometimes merong connotation na magbebenta ako dyan ng produkto or
There's nothing
what.
wrong about that.
Wala namang mali doon.
Yes.
Kaya lang alam naman natin na marami tayong business partners na sobrang busy na nila at
Yes.
hindi na nila kayang gawin yung mga bagay na gano'n. So, yung program itself that can cater even though yung mga business partners natin are very busy with their businesses or with their profession, and yet yung support na meron yung buong cash flow program ng Premier Lifestyle, especially with the ESPs.
Yes.
We're able to, max out some of our partners' cash flow program.
As far as I know, we are the first, right?
Indeed.
We are the first in the industry who has this kind of program.
Yeah, the
As far as I know.
partners. Yeah,
I think.
the
As far as
partnership
we know.
program.
As far as we know.
Oh, usually kasi membership lang sila di ba? Usually membership lang.
Correct.
Pero wala talagang cash flow na nangyayari.
Hindi na natin babanggitin yung mga ibang companies, pero alam naman siguro ng ibang mga partners natin, baka yung iba naging member na rin sila doon.
Correct.
And may mga experience sila na, ay, nag-member ako dyan. Wala naman nangyari. Because yun nga, again, when it comes to the membership, pagka nag-member ka, and without that partnership, kahit sa gym di ba?
Yeah.
When you enroll sa gym and become,
Coming from experience.
di ba? Pag nag-enroll ka sa gym, tapos hindi ka nakipag-partner sa coach mo or sa trainer mo, wala namang mangyayari. Hindi ka naman magiging healthy even after 6 months na nagbayad ka. Ba't ko alam?
Nangyari sa'yo. Actually, na-experience ko yan sa Anytime Fitness. Nag-donate lang ako dun eh.
Nag-donate to.
One day, membership. The next day, wala na. Hindi na ako.
Kaya ang ganda talaga ng PLC. Yes, partner Jeff.
For me, the key major advantage of Premier Lifestyle compared to others, actually, we are designed, di ba, to a specific market, which is
Correct.
the top market.
Yes.
Di ba, compared to others, because most of the companies or the programs outside, syempre naka-design sa lahat ng tao. And first things first, no, every time na sinishare natin ang program natin with Premier Lifestyle, we always insist or reiterate to the person na kinakausap natin na maging part ng Premier Lifestyle na this one is not for everybody. Kaya every time na makakamit kayo ng mga clients natin or soon to be part of Premier Lifestyle, huwag kayong manghinayang doon sa mga partners kasi given meron tayong mga mamimit dito na mga people na maybe somehow they have experienced a lot of programs outside, but then for me, lagi ko sinasabi, kung hindi nila na-appreciate yung program,